Once upon a time, in a small town nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a war veteran named Samuel. Samuel had served his country with unwavering dedication and bravery, but the horrors of war had left deep scars on his heart and soul. He had witnessed things no person should ever have to see, and the weight of those memories burdened him each day. After returning home, Samuel struggled to find his place in the world. He felt disconnected from those around him, unable to relate to the simplicity of everyday life. The once vibrant and spirited man had become withdrawn and lost. His days were spent in solitude, haunted by the echoes of battle and the faces of fallen comrades. One sunny day, as Samuel was sitting by a park bench, a young veteran named Jake approached him. Jake had recently returned from the front lines and recognized the weariness in Samuel's eyes. He sat down beside him and began to share his own story of overcoming adversity. Jake told Samuel about how he, too, had battled demons of the mind after witnessing the horrors of war. He explained how he had sought help, reaching out to fellow veterans who understood his struggles. Through counseling and support groups, Jake had found a glimmer of hope and began rebuilding his life. Samuel listened intently, feeling a flicker of inspiration ignite within him. He realized that he was not alone in his suffering and that there were others who had walked a similar path. Determined to find his own resilience, he mustered the courage to seek help. With Jake's guidance, Samuel attended therapy sessions, joining a community of veterans who shared their stories and supported one another. They became his new comrades, not on the battlefield, but in the battle against the scars left by war. As time passed, Samuel's spirit rekindled. He discovered a passion for art, expressing his emotions and experiences through beautiful paintings that spoke volumes to those who beheld them. His artwork became a source of inspiration for fellow veterans, and his story of resilience spread far and wide. Samuel's journey was not without its challenges. There were days when the memories threatened to engulf him, but he persevered. He found solace in the support of his newfound community, and together they triumphed over the darkness that had once clouded their lives. Through sheer determination and the support of those who understood his struggle, Samuel transformed from a broken war veteran to an advocate for resilience and hope. He traveled the country, sharing his story and encouraging others to seek help and support. Samuel's message resonated with fellow veterans, offering them a lifeline of hope amidst the storm. His words of encouragement became a beacon of light, illuminating the path toward healing and rebuilding lives shattered by war. And so, the story of Samuel, the war veteran who overcame trauma and rebuilt his life, became an inspiration, not only to his fellow veterans, but to all who heard his tale. His resilience, his art, and his unwavering spirit served as a reminder that within the darkest of moments, there is always a glimmer of light, waiting to be discovered.